All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. The best brains of the nation may be found on the lowest bench of the classroom. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in actions. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to success is strong enough. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. If you fail, never give up because FAIL means first attempt in learning. All birds find shelter during a rain, but an eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. If four things are followed, having a great time, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Real education enhances the dignity of a human being and increases his or her self-respect. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Do not read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will find some ideas to get success. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Failure will never overtake me if my desire to success is strong enough. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of career. If you salute your duty, you do not need to salute anybody, but if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. One best book is equal to 100 best friends. One good friend is equal to a library. If you get ignored once, take the hint and never bother that person again. Self-respect is more important than someone's reply or attraction. God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. Do not lose your dignity and self-respect trying to make people accept, love, and appreciate you when they just are not capable. Do not lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self-respect is everything. Never explain yourself to anyone because the person who likes you does not need it, and the person who dislikes you would not believe it. Lovely thing to learn from water. Adjust yourself in every situation and in any shape, but most importantly, find your own way to flow. Love your job, but do not love your company because you may not know when your company stops loving you. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Do not take rest after your first victory because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. When you speak, speak the truth. Perform when you promise. Discharge your trust. Withhold your hands from striking and from taking that which is unlawful and bad. Firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. I have always believed that cowards never make history. History is created by people with courage and wisdom. Courage is individual, wisdom comes with experience. Without your involvement, you cannot succeed. Without your involvement, you cannot fail. End is not the end. In fact, END means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember NO means next opportunity. So let's be positive. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.